Why is exercise important after menopause?
Exercise plays a key role in postmenopausal health. It helps manage weight, protects against heart disease, boosts bone density, and improves mood. After menopause, a drop in estrogen increases the risk of osteoporosis, muscle loss, and other health concerns. Regular physical activity can help maintain strength, balance, and overall well-being during this life stage.
What types of exercise are most beneficial?
A well-rounded routine is ideal. Focus on a mix of weight-bearing exercises like brisk walking, jogging, or dancing to strengthen bones. Resistance training with bands or weights helps preserve muscle mass. Include flexibility and balance activities such as yoga or tai chi to improve mobility and reduce fall risks. Variety keeps workouts interesting and covers all aspects of health.
How often should postmenopausal women exercise?
Most experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, such as walking or cycling. Strength training should be done at least twice a week. Include stretching and balance exercises several times weekly. Regularity matters more than intensity. Find activities you enjoy and can sustain over time.
How does exercise support bone and heart health?
Okay, now we're going to add the text and then pause the phrase. And aerobic activities strengthen the heart, improve circulation, and support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Together, these benefits help reduce the risk of fractures and cardiovascular disease.
Are there special considerations for beginners or those with health conditions?
Absolutely. Start safely and consult your healthcare provider. If you're new to exercise or have ongoing health issues, begin slowly and choose low-impact options. Gradually increase intensity and duration. Focus on proper form to avoid injury. Listen to your body and modify activities as needed. Personalized advice ensures your fitness routine supports your unique needs and goals.